In this session, we are exploring the word báitiān, daytime. This is a very logical compound word. It is made up of bai, meaning white or bright, and tiān, meaning day or sky. Put them together and you get white day, which perfectly describes daytime or daylight hours, specifically the time when the sun is up. It is a time noun, so you'll often see it placed at the very beginning of a sentence or right after the subject to set the scene. Its natural opposite is wǎnshang, which refers to the evening or night. While báitiān covers the time when the sun is out, wǎnshang covers the time when it is dark. Let's look at how we use this word in various sentences. 你今天白天忙吗? Are you busy today during the day? 你今天白天忙吗? In Chinese, when you have multiple words indicating time, you usually arrange them from the largest unit to the smallest. Here we start with the broader 今天, today, and narrow it down to 白天, daytime. The adjective 忙, busy, acts as the main verb of the sentence. We don't need to be here. The particle 吗 turns the statement you are busy into the question are you busy? 爸爸和妈妈白天都工作. Dad and Mum both work during the day. 爸爸和妈妈白天都工作. We join Dad and Mum with the word 和 and. Notice the position of 都, which means both or all. It must come after the subject and the time phrase, but immediately before the verb 工作, work. It summarizes that the action applies to both parents. 这里白天的车比晚上的车多. There are more cars here during the day than at night. 这里白天的车比晚上的车多. Here, 白天 is not just a background time setting, it is describing the noun, cars. 白天的车 literally means daytime's cars or cars of the day. We use the particle 的 to connect the time word to the noun. We see the be structure for comparisons. We are comparing the cars during the day with the cars during the night. This sentence introduces the natural opposite of 白天, which is 晚上, night or evening. 他白天学习，晚上工作. He studies during the day and works at night. 他白天学习，晚上工作. This sentence has two halves with the exact same rhythm, time plus action. 白天学习, daytime study, is balanced by 晚上工作, nighttime work. In the second half of the sentence, we don't need to repeat he, 他. It is understood that we are still talking about the same person. 我白天要去医院看病，下午不来上课了. I need to go to the hospital during the day, so I won't be coming to class in the afternoon. 我白天要去医院看病，下午不来上课了. The word 要 here indicates a plan or a necessity, going to or need to. 看病 is a common phrase. It literally means look at illness, but it is the standard way to say see a doctor or have a medical checkup. We use 白天 to talk about the general daylight hours and 下午 to specify the afternoon. The 了 at the very end suggests a change in the situation. Perhaps the speaker was expected to come to class, but now they are not. 他白天常常去图书馆，有时候也去电影院. During the day, he often goes to the library and sometimes he also goes to the cinema. 他白天常常去图书馆，有时候也去电影院。We are using 常常, often, and 有时候, sometimes, to describe habits. Notice they come after the time word 白天. The adverb 也 means also or to. It always appears before the verb, so we say also go, 也去。图书馆 is library and 电影院 is cinema. 白天的时候，我喜欢跟朋友们一起去打球。During the day, I like to go play ball with my friends. 白天的时候，我喜欢跟朋友们一起去打球。You can simply say 白天, but adding 的时候 makes it a bit more formal or rhythmic, meaning at the time of the day or during the day. We see the structure 跟 plus 一起. It frames the people you're doing the activity with. 跟 plus people plus 一起 plus action. 昨天白天天气不好，下雨了。今天白天天气很好。Yesterday during the day, the weather was bad. It rained. Today the weather is good. 昨天白天天气不好，下雨了。今天白天天气很好。Just like in the first sentence, we combine specific days with daytime, 昨天白天, yesterday daytime, and 今天白天, today daytime. 下雨 means to rain, literally descend rain. The 了 indicates that the raining actually happened. 白天你能看见东边的山和西边的水都非常好看。During the day, you can see the mountains to the east and the water to the west. Both are very beautiful. 白天你能看见东边的山和西边的水都非常好看。Here, 白天 is placed at the very front, separated by a comma. This sets daytime as the main topic or setting for the whole statement. 看见 is different from just 看. Kan means to look, but 看见 means to actually see something or perceive it. We use 东边 east side and 西边 west side to say where the mountains and water are. The word 白天, daytime, is your primary tool for distinguishing the active, bright hours of the day from the night. As you have seen, it's quite flexible. It can sit at the start of a sentence to set the scene, for example, 白天我工作, combine with today or yesterday to be more specific, for example, 今天白天, or even modify a noun using 的, for example, 白天的车. Learning to use this word will help you schedule appointments and describe your daily life with much greater precision.